In this video, we're going to take a closer look at access modifiers in Java. So you have seen public and private. You know that public members are accessible from outside of a class, but private members are not. For example, here in our UI control class, we have declared this field as private, so we cannot access it outside of this class. So if we go to our main class and create a new UI control object, look, is enabled is not here. What we have is only the method, not the field. Another thing you need to know about private members is that they are not inherited by subclasses. So if we go to our textbox class, and here in the constructor, let's type this dot is enabled. Look, the field is not here. So private members, which means private fields and private methods, are not inherited by subclasses, and they are not accessible outside of a class. So we use them to hide the implementation detail of a class. So we can change the implementation in the future without impacting other classes. Now we have another access modifier in Java. It's considered bad practice or a code smell, but I'm going to explain it briefly so at least you know how it works. Back to our UI control class. That access modifier is protected. Now protected is like public in package. So as long as we are inside this package code with Mosh, this field is treated like a public field. Let me show you. So back to our main class. This class is also declared in the same package. So here we can access our protected field. It's public inside this package. However, if we go to a different package, this field is not going to be accessible. So temporarily, I'm going to put the main class inside a different package. Let's say programming with Mosh. Now we have a couple of compilation errors because the textbox class is not declared in this package, and we need to import it from the package in which it's declared. So we put the caret here, press Alt and Enter, and import this class. Similarly, we need to import the UI control class. Beautiful. Now look, the is enabled field is not accessible. So protected members are public in their package, but they're also accessible by child classes in different packages. For example, if I put the textbox class inside a different package and have it extend the UI control, this class will still be able to access the protected members declared in this class. So as you can see, protected is kind of confusing and a little bit too complicated. That's one of the reasons it's considered a bad practice and you should avoid it, because it makes it hard to maintain your applications. So stick to public and private. Use public for anything that should be exposed outside of class, and private for hiding the implementation detail. Now, what happens if we remove this access modifier? This is the default access modifier, which is called package private. And that means this field is public anywhere in this package, but private outside of this package. Even classes in other packages will not be able to inherit this field. It's private everywhere outside of this package. So here in our main class, we cannot access this field because it's only public inside the code with Mosh package. Now let's change the package back to code with Mosh. So we no longer need these import statements. And here we can access this field because it's public inside this package. Once again, I would say stay away from the default access modifier. It's confusing. Just stick to public and private.